Everyone, welcome back to Engineers Tech channel. So guys, in this video I will discuss challenges in automation project. So guys, if you are working in the automation, and definitely lots of challenges will come to you. So first of all, you have to learn programming in the depth. This is the one of the big challenging things. Basics will not work. Okay, so now what happen if you don't know the if you don't have a deep knowledge in programming, you will fail in the interview. And if you will generate your code from the chat gpt also, if some error is coming while integrating the code in your project, you are not able to fix it. Okay, so learn programming in the depth. The second challenging thing, handling the data. So data part is very important. So data, your application data is not always static, keep refreshing, developers are deleting, so we have to plan it. The automation test data, we have to not struggle much. Okay, so instead of hard coded data, we will use a dynamic data. So we will create those data as a runtime. Okay, and we will delete after a script execution after execute after a script execution will be completed. So this is the best practice in the automation. Why? Because if you are not deleting, so what will happen if you will run 100 times 500 times your script, then it's a bombarding on your database. So if you have access, when if you don't have access, ask to dev team or ask to your manager. So I want to design this into in a script, so I want to delete this data as well. What happen if I will run the multiple times? It will create a problem, right? So this is the another challenge. It's a common challenge for your locators. It's not always stable. Okay, so uh, few of the case, like it's a keep dynamic, your data is very dynamic and all, will talk to the developer to fix those element as a id. Okay, but it's not applicable for all the application or all the project. But I worked out the couple of the project. The requirement is, if data is more dynamic, then we'll ask to the developer to have a unique data. But this is not happen in every project. So make sure you have to write the stable xpath css, so if you will run multiple times, so your script should not fail. Another challenge sometime will come, utility is not there in your project, then in your framework, then we have to also implement the utility. Sometime it will take time, because as per the new requirement, we don't know what types of the application. If you have a complex application, complex in the sense of, if you are doing the end-to-end, many steps are coming. Okay, so sometime take the time for the new method implementation, because after implementing the methods, we have to do the practice. So in the one run that things will not work, then you have to go for the different approach as well. Another thing is, the people is also going to lack in the domain knowledge. Okay, so guys, suppose in automation also, domain knowledge if you have, then definitely you should not struggle to design your script end to end. But if you have a domain knowledge, if you are not, suppose you worked in the e-commerce and your current application is your banking domain, it will take time to explore the domain as well. So these are the challenges. Apart from that, your script is running in the local, but when you are doing the integration from CI/CD or running through the Maven, so these are the challenges will come. Okay, integration with your CI/CD, so these are the another challenge. Definitely we have to fix it. Okay, or environmental issue, sometimes your environment is not fixed for automation, or it is not a stable. So these are the minor thing, but these are the fix we will run in the QA and staging. Depend upon the your project, how they are going to manage it. And sometime we have a synchronization issue, so we can use the beta statement. So in the Selenium or playwright we have auto wait, that is the beauty of the playwright. But yeah, these are the common challenges will come, and if you will say this all the things to the interviewer and they are happy with your answer, guys, so if you want more something, then you can just check in the Google and chat GPT if I miss any point. Okay, so that's all in this video. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe and press bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.